Exciting news, SPCians! Get ready to level up your game with the hassle-free payment system partnered with BDO. Bills payment is a collection arrangement offered to corporate clients who need to collect payments from its customers. All bills payment made to your account, whether done by clients or initiated by your company, will require a subscriber account number and subscriber name to be used as identifiers. Let me walk you through the step-by-step procedures on settling payment via BDO. To do bills payment via BDO Business Online Banking and Personal Online Banking, go to business.bdo.com.ph. For over-the-counter payment, please refer to the attached sample deposit slip, which will serve as your guide. Cash transaction slip required information. 1. Company name: San Pablo Colleges Incorporated. 2. Subscriber's name, payer's name. 3. Subscriber's account number or reference number, name of student, department, and level. 4. Institution code 2775. 5. Product code none. 6. For cash transactions, indicate denomination, pieces, amount, and total amount. For online banking payments, we accept payments from savings accounts, checking accounts, and cash cards in both full and partial payments as well as advance payments. Bills payment facility via business online banking, over-the-counter payment, and personal online banking. To know more about cashless payment systems in San Pablo Colleges, don't forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, San Pablo Colleges. Say yes to convenience, say yes to bills payment via BDO.